SUVs are more popular than ever before, with many people preferring them to high-performance sedans and even sports cars. To cater to this specific group of enthusiasts, automakers are pushing the envelope with their high-performance SUVs. This is evidenced by the fact that even the most exotic supercar manufacturers, such as Ferrari, now produce an SUV. However, these dynamic beasts capable of ripping the racetrack are all exorbitantly priced and far above most people's pay grade. Furthermore, not everyone requires a supercharged SUV for office commutes or family vacations. Regular SUVs are typically quite boring, as they prioritize practicality and fuel economy over performance and driving dynamics. Nonetheless, some stand out as having a little more spice, which could make the office shuttle and weekend drives more enjoyable. As a result, after extensive research, we have compiled a list of everyday SUVs that are not only affordable but also enjoyable to drive in their respective segments and price ranges. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today we will look at the most fun and affordable SUVs in 2023. And stay tuned, because somewhere in this video we will present a fun fact that you will find very interesting. Number 10. The 2023 Mazda CX-30 with a starting price of $22,950. With its captivating driving dynamics, the 2023 Mazda CX-30 outperforms its subcompact competitors. This small crossover SUV based on the Mazda 3 hatchback is faster and more enthusiastic than many vehicles in its class. The base engine isn't particularly powerful, but the optional 250 horsepower turbocharged engine, combined with its athletic chassis, results in a fun-to-drive package. Step into its driver's seat, and you'll be astounded by its precise steering feedback, supple ride quality, and impressive high-speed stability. When you combine that with its upscale cabin and low starting price, you have the best driver's crossover in the segment. It does 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds. Number 9. The 2024 Honda HR-V with a starting price of $24,100. Simply based on power output, the 2024 Honda HR-V cannot be considered the most powerful SUV ever. However, horsepower isn't the only factor that defines a vehicle's driving dynamics, and the HR-V's agile maneuverability is what makes it a fun crossover SUV. The 2023 Honda HR-V was completely redesigned on the basis of the latest generation Honda Civic. These borrowed underpinnings have bestowed good handling on this small Honda crossover. The Honda HR-V is clearly inferior to the Mazda CX-30, but it is still a viable option thanks to its spacious cabin, agile dynamics, and low fuel consumption. Number 8. The Kia Seltos with a starting price of $24,390. The Kia Seltos is one of the best all-around vehicles in the subcompact crossover SUV segment, and it packs a punch. To begin, Kia's futuristic approach is clearly visible, whether in the dapper exterior styling or the tech-filled cabin. In terms of powertrains, two 4-cylinder engines are available, a base non-turbo tuned for maximum fuel efficiency and a spirited 195 horsepower turbocharged motor. The turbo is the obvious enthusiast option, and when combined with the Kia Seltos' agile handling, it makes for an excellent driver's crossover. It does 0 to 60 miles in just 6.1 seconds. Number 7. The Mazda CX-5 with a starting price of $26,700. Moving on to the compact SUV segment, Mazda offers two options, the first of which is the Mazda CX-5, which has been on the market for quite some time. All 2023 Mazda CX-5 models come standard with a quick-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, and there are two engine options. When equipped with the more powerful 256 horsepower turbocharged engine, the CX-5 transforms into a quick-footed crossover that can be driven with fun. Mazda has not compromised the ride quality in any way to achieve the CX-5's exciting dynamics. Overall, the 2023 Mazda CX-5 is a captivating crossover with a luxurious interior and fun handling. It does 0 to 60 miles in just 6.2 seconds. Number 6. The Volkswagen Tiguan with a starting price of $26,950. All 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan models are powered by a 184 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that isn't particularly powerful on paper or in a straight line. The Tiguan, on the other hand, is reminiscent of the legendary Volkswagen Golf, much like the Honda HR-V, which uses the Civic's underpinnings to provide adroit handling. The engine in the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan is buttery smooth, the steering is responsive, and the athletic chassis has been tuned to provide an engaging driving experience. The 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan is a fun compact SUV thanks to its roomy, high-quality cabin, supple ride quality, and advanced set of driver assistance features. Number 5. The Mazda CX-50 with a starting price of $27,500. The newly added 2023 Mazda CX-50, which is based on the smaller CX-30, is the second and more expensive Mazda in the compact SUV segment. The CX-50 has a lively chassis, a powerful powertrain, and agile handling. Despite being based on the platform of the smaller CX-30, the Mazda CX-50 is slightly longer, larger, and roomier than its spiritual sibling, the CX-5, and has an inch more ground clearance. As a result, the 2023 Mazda CX-50 is a slightly more rugged, slightly more spacious, and slightly fancier alternative to the CX-5, which also costs a little more. It does 0 to 60 miles in just 6.6 seconds. Number 4. The Dodge Hornet with a starting price of $30,735. The 2023 Dodge Hornet, Dodge's newest and smallest crossover, is actually a rebadged Alfa Romeo Tonale. However, unlike its Italian plug-in hybrid sibling, the Dodge Hornet from the combustion aficionado brand's lineup is powered by a powerful turbocharged engine. Although it is significantly more expensive than its segment competitors and has a somewhat cramped rear cabin, the Hornet compensates with its lively handling and high-quality interior. Overall, it may be an unusual choice for an everyday SUV, but it is well worth the price paid because its enjoyable driving dynamics compensate for its flaws. It does 0 to 60 miles in just 6.5 seconds. Number 3. The Hyundai Kona N with a starting price of $34,950. If you want to buy a badass compact SUV without spending a fortune, this South Korean crossover is the way to go. The Hyundai Kona N is the spiritual successor to the Hyundai Veloster N, retaining the rewarding driving dynamics of the discontinued hatchback while adding the increased practicality of the crossover body style. The 2023 Hyundai Kona N's 276 horsepower power output and 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds are unquestionably the best in the segment. When you combine that with its agile handling and affordable pricing, you get one of the most joyous crossover SUVs. Number 2. The 2023 Ford Bronco with a starting price of $34,890. The 2023 Ford Bronco is clearly a rugged off-roader rather than a corner carver. On the other hand, it is far more livable and road-oriented than its direct competitors, such as the Jeep Wrangler and Toyota 4Runner. Despite its boxy appearance and reputation as a formidable off-roader, the Bronco is an entertaining machine on the road. As a result, it is included on this list as a practical and comfortable midsize SUV that is also a formidable off-roader. The 2023 Ford Bronco's available engines are both powerful, and there are numerous trims and configurations to choose from. It does 0 to 60 miles in just 6.2 seconds. Before we go to the number 1 on this list, here's the fun fact of this video. Did you know that the highest total mileage clocked by a single car is 2,850,000 million miles? That's the same as driving around the Earth 100 times. And now, for number 1. The Chevy Blazer with a starting price of $35,100. The Chevy Blazer is not only a reasonably priced mid-sized SUV, but it is also a strikingly attractive vehicle. The Blazer's styling, which clearly reflects the design language of the current generation Chevy Camaro, gives it a sports car aesthetic. The 2023 Chevrolet Blazer, like many others mentioned here, comes with two engine options, the stronger of which is ideal for the automotive enthusiast. The 2023 Chevy Blazer offers an impressive driver's package with its agile handling, sporty cabin, and eye-catching design. It does 0 to 60 miles in just 6.6 seconds. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? Then please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.